Seeing the progress on the new high school is amazing. It's so exciting to think not only about the opportunities academically, in sports and in fine arts, and in career and technical education that it's going to offer for our current students, but also what it's going to provide for our community here in Sherman.
Well, we can proudly say that we have the flagship school being built in North Texas.
I've personally been in all the phases of this progress, and from the planning phase, different parts of it, and so to actually see the actual building being done and to see what's going to happen, it's incredibly exciting to be a part of this, to actually see the classrooms come to fruition and the design all the way to now where we're actually seeing where students are going to go, where teachers are going to be.
It means a lot to me to be part of going to school here. My kids went to school here. My grandkids will probably go to school here. And I just think the Bearcat pride that went into building and developing this project is just great.
In any community, a high school, and particularly a brand new high school like we have here in Sherman, means so much to the community. It really gives it a positive outlook and just a great place for our community to get together in the future for many, many years.
It's going to be awe-inspiring. It's going to be an awe-inspiring thing for a student to walk in, especially for the first time, and even thinking through like freshmen coming in for the first time to see an incredible place that they're so proud to be in and so proud to be a part of. Just all the different areas of the building. It's going to have to swell pride in them to be a part of this family and a part of Bearcat Nation. To come in here and just to feel it is going to be an incredible thing.
The opportunities are limitless. We have a courtyard, we have all these collaborative spaces that are going to allow us to work our strengths as teachers. You know, we all have strengths, and so it's going to allow us as teachers to really collaborate and work together as a team to bring our students in and differentiate for each child. Having a space like this that's brand new, I think is going to be great for the mindset of the students and the teachers. This is something that we've wanted for a really, really long time, and to be able to step into this building is a dream come true for a lot of us.
As an alumni, it's so exciting to see the progress that the community has made and that the district has made. It's wonderful to see all of the opportunities that our current students are going to get that we didn't have, and the expansion of different programs that are going to be offered with the addition of the new campus, such as our automotive program, pet grooming, different sports facilities expanded, all of the fine arts opportunities, and even giving our kids a chance to have lunch out in the courtyard. Those kind of things, experiences that current students will have that we didn't have, is so exciting to see, and it's great to see how we're going to educate a new generation of Bearcats on the cutting edge of technology, looking towards the future.
As a Sherman High School alumni and a lifetime Bearcat, I am so thrilled to check out this new high school. This is such a wonderful thing for our community, for our school district. The opportunities are going to be endless, and I cannot wait to see my boys and all Bearcats go to school here and graduate from this high school.